Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can use star codes in Roblox and what star codes are. So star codes are a creator's unique code which you use when making a Roblox purchase. I'm gonna show you how you can use them. So if we go to the Roblox section right here and we click on buy Robux, let's say we wanna buy 400 Robux. Just select this option, and here, as you can see, you will have the option to add a star code when making your purchase. Now you can get these star codes, like I said, from Roblox creators. And if we click here, let's say I want to support Ant, just click on Add, and as you can see, it will say you are supporting Ant. Now what are star codes? Like I said, when making a purchase, if we hover over this, enter a star code to support your favorite video star. They will earn 5% of your purchase and you will keep the Robux you paid for. So for example, you buy 400 Robux, you will receive 400 Robux, and Ant will receive 5% of these 400 Robux. So yeah, that's how star codes work. When you make a purchase, the creator you support will earn a small commission for your purchase of Robux. So thank you for watching. I hope this cleared something out, and leave a like and subscribe if you did. I will see you next time. Goodbye.